Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo Curv and I'm going to show you how to check your cleaning history. At first, click on these three dots over here. Here, as you can see, the first option we have is history. If we tap this, we can see the details. For example, on this day, today, on this hour, we have full cleaning. This is the duration, and this is the area our vacuum cleaned. This is the total time over this whole time and how many times it worked. We can check cruise and cleaning over here. And this is the total area our vacuum cleaned. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.